Hello, I am your butler for the day. Let us start with a traditional nursery rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids a-courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids in waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. I'm sure many of you know that nursery rhyme, but what does it mean? I wondered this as a child, and having repeated the rhyme over and over to the grandchildren, I'm thinking about it again. My grandmother was in service, a domestic worker in Epping as a young lady. And I think it's about the various domestic work roles, jobs, etc. within such households. For example, 1, 2, buckle my shoe is about those domestic workers who assisted the dressing of the employer's family, including the adult. 3, 4, knock at the door was something that every servant had to do before they entered any room in the house above stairs. 5, 6, pick up sticks are the very sticks needed to light fires throughout the house. And 7, 8, lay them straight is about setting the fire ready for lighting when it is needed. 9, 10, big fat hen is the task of looking after the animals, chickens being essential for all households, so it's about feeding hens, collecting eggs for breakfast and or for baking. And 11, 12, dig and delve refers to the gardeners and the produce that they grow for meals throughout the day. 13, 14, maids a-courting is telling the listeners to the traditional nursery rhyme of all of the opportunities for domestic workers to meet their potential partners who also had roles within the household. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen is about those preparing, cooking or serving food. 17, 18, maids in waiting is about those who are cleaning, washing, making beds, etc. But last and not least, 19, 20, my plate's empty is all about those whose jobs include clearing the tables, washing the empty plates, etc. after meals. I'm sure there are other theories, but this all makes sense to me. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed the video clip. That's all from me, your butler for today. Goodbye for now.